Hi,
Hello.
did you watch a soccer game on TV?
No, I didn't watch any games.
Where did you go on your last birthday?
I went to a restaurant.
Did you listen to music in the car?
Yes, I listened to my favorite songs.
What did you draw in your art class?
I drew a beautiful sunset.
Did you visit the zoo last summer?
No, I didn't go to the zoo.
Where did you go shopping last weekend?
I went to the mall.
Did you bike to the park yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike.
What did you bake for the bake sale?
I baked cookies.
Did you swim in the pool on a hot day?
No, I didn't swim.
Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store.
Did you play with your dog in the garden?
Yes, I played fetch.
What did you have for dessert at the restaurant?
I had ice cream.
Did you go for a walk in the evening?
No, I stayed home.
Where did you go for a family picnic?
We went to the park.
Did you watch a fireworks display?
Yes, I watched the fireworks.
What did you build with your building blocks?
I built a tall tower.
Did you visit a relative over the holidays?
No, I didn't visit any relatives.
Where did you find a treasure on a hike?
I found it in the forest.
Did you plant flowers in your garden?
Yes, I planted roses.
What did you discover at the beach last summer?
I found seashells.
Did you ride a horse at the ranch?
No, I didn't ride a horse.
Where did you see a rainbow?
I saw it after the rain.
Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook.
What did you play at the playground?
I played on the swings.
Did you visit a farm with animals?
No, I didn't go to a farm.
What did you buy from there?
We bought toys, chocolate and chips from the market.
How did you arrive when you came back?
We came back by bus.
Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there.
Where were your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office.